What could be more critical than a life hanging in the balance? Have you ever pondered the profound impact early warning systems can have in healthcare? These systems are not only about predicting a storm or a seismic activity, they are about predicting a human life at risk, potentially saving it before it's too late. The process starts with data, often raw and unrefined. Picture a miner sifting through rocks and soil to find precious gems. That's what data manipulation is all about. It's about extracting the nuggets of valuable information from the vast, rough data landscape. For example, in our case, Blackcoffer used a dataset from the Mimic website, which was not in the desired format. It required tweaking and manipulation to prepare it for analysis. Imagine you are a chef, and the data is your ingredients. You need to clean them, chop them, and sometimes even marinate them to bring out the flavors. Data manipulation is similar. It involves cleaning the data, removing unnecessary elements, and filling in missing values. In our instance, we chose to fill missing values with the average of the surrounding data, which proved to be a more effective strategy than simply discarding them. Next comes the process of data analysis, which we can liken to baking. You've prepared your ingredients, and now it's time to put them in the oven and see what comes out. Data analysis involves examining, modeling, and interpreting the data to discover useful information, suggest conclusions, and support decision-making. After all the manipulation and analysis, we arrived at significant findings. Blackcoffer's study focused primarily on non-survivor patients' vital signs, unearthing patterns that could potentially predict mortality. For instance, we found that if a patient's SpO2 level falls below 70, there's a 95% chance of death. Below 50%, the probability shoots up to a staggering 99.9%. These findings have profound implications for healthcare. They enable us to create an early warning system that could predict a patient's condition based on their vital signs. This system could be a game changer, providing critical alerts that could potentially save lives. It's like having a crystal ball that gives us a glimpse into the future, allowing us to act before it's too late. In summary, the process of data manipulation and analysis is a journey like mining for gems or baking a cake. It involves sifting through raw data, cleaning it, and filling in the gaps to prepare it for analysis. The resulting findings can provide valuable insights like predicting patient mortality based on vital signs. These insights can then be used to create early warning systems, potentially saving lives and revolutionizing healthcare as we know it. Do not forget to email at aj@blackcoffer.com